Amesh, you understand Kikuyu boy? No. You want the juice or what? Eh? What you want? Eh? Yeah, family. The boy Amesh seems to understand Kikuyu family.
What seems to? You know, I talk to him in Kikuyu, no other language.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, family. So I'm making this video for Miss Jam Tours channel, and if you don't know that she have a channel, go over YouTube and subscribe to her channel, Miss Jam Tours, MRS Jam Tours family. So that's her channel, and I just want to make this video, guys. As you know, information is a new currency, family, and you know what I mean. Somebody might thank you later when you give them information more than when you give them some dollars. So I remember when I just came to Kenya, family, and Miss Jam Tours tell me something. See something online about green card. I mean, I said, what green card are you talking about? Like, she said to me, I say, yo, as you know, in Jamaica.
He brushed me out. Hey. Whoa. People don't know Jam Tours.
So it was like.
What should you tell him something that he's wondering?
So you tell me something about green card, and I say, yo, well, just brush it off. And then I go up online and I see something about green card, Kenyan's green card. I say, Kenyan can win green card. I say, yo, how is that even possible? I say, yo, let me dig in it. And I start say, oh. I never did know so there was a DV lottery thing. You can win a green card and certain countries qualify and some don't qualify. Now you guys know Jamaicans don't qualify because they feel like Jamaica already go into the US and build New York already and all over the place. So Jamaica is not on the list for me. So I don't know nothing about that. So when she tell me about some green card thing, I say, yo, what she talk about? So I actually go deep and start research it and say, oh, true she attack. And at the same time, I say, yo, you know what I mean? Kenyans have opportunity like this. They can sign up for your green card and win a green card, and then that's the easy way to get to the US family with no problem and stress. And as you know, guys, going to the US embassy in Jamaica, the line always long. People get denied left, right, and center and lose them almost 40,000, 50,000 US. Comment below and let me know if you're a Jamaican, how much it is now to actually go to the US for a visitor visa or whatever visa you're looking for. But trust me, guys, in Kenya, I don't really see people at the embassy. I pass it all the time, don't it? I never really see nobody there more than, you know what I mean, like 5 people ever see at the embassy in Jamaica, in Kenya. So that is the reason. So Kenyans have an opportunity every year. This time to November, you can go and register and sign up for the DVLA lottery green card family. So if you're Kenyan and you don't know about this, you can, if you want to go to the US, you can go register family. Yeah, family, so back to the story. So I was jumping to tell me about some research and I say, oh, a true thing. So same time I say, yo, let's take some passport picture and register for it and thing. So it come back again this year again, family. So first time we signed up for it, Miss Jam Tours never get through. She never won. Nothing. Bad luck. But as you know, guys, this year is an even number year. And it's 2024, so I guess for people who align with that zodiac sign, even number zodiac sign, you find that you get a lot of opportunity and prosperity coming your way, family. So we sign up again. Miss Jam Tours sign up again. So this man, I was telling to her that I'm telling her, so why don't you sign up for the DVLA and leave me with the kids in Africa and go to the US? As you know, as Jamaicans, that's what most Jamaicans do. You know what I mean? You always see. So she said to me, say, yo, so in Jamaica, you always see like mothers leave the kids with the dad and stuff. I mean, I say, yes, even in Jamaica, you see every man, you see man on them bicycle. Single dad that carry them kids to school. That's a normal thing. You know, even my uncle in Jamaica right now, his wife is in the US and he has his daughter raising her and stuff. So I was saying something like that. So why don't you go to the US and leave me with the kids? And Miss Jam Tours was like, hell no. And she said to me that, you ever see any father with any kids in Kenya? They're always with their mother. Yeah.
Even if there is, just to clarify on that.
Yeah.
It's one. One or 2.
Yeah.
That is the first one I've seen.
But that's a thing, family, you don't see.
Anyway, but I mean, like at now you go overseas and leave young children with their father.
Yeah.
If you leave them with your mother. Like now I leave them with my mother.
Ah.
But not with the father.
So the culture is so different to your family. You don't see mothers.
You remember even like, for example, love, if you want to fly out, even that day we had gone out, eh?
Yeah.
The only person I can call is, oh yeah, mom, come stay with the children. Things like that.
But in Jamaica, you have man crying out and say the mother leave them with the kids and gone and all kind of struggle with them. That's how it is in Jamaica. If you're a Jamaica family, comment below and let me know.
If you're a Kenyan, comment that we don't leave our children.
Yeah, mothers don't leave them children in your family.
Especially where I come from. I don't want to sound tribalistic or whatever.
But it's not tribalistic, you know what I mean? I just want to touch on this topic, family. People saying tribalistic and all kind of things.
It's not big tribal.
Okay, that's how the world been made and set up.
And
Africa
exactly.
is where all humans come from. So you're gonna find the expression of all tribe and all race.
And also,
you know, even the Bible talk about tribe, the tribe that
the 12
you know what I mean, 12 tribe of
stuff.
you know what I mean. And as you guys know, Jamaicans are part of the 12 tribes, scattered all over the world. And when you see us coming back, it's just divine intervention and divine order and destiny. You know what I mean? Prophecy of a fulfilled family. So, you know what I mean? When you say tribe, it's just people, you know what I mean, colonize and misuse tribe to divide people. But if everybody understand that's how the universe set up and that's how life that's how life is. It was here before me and you. So how can you fight something that was here before me and you?
But I hate
you know what I mean?
People say love.
You know, it's just what it is. It's just like even Jamaicans are a tribe because there's nobody in the world right now who more patriotic than a Jamaican. Yeah, some idiot man come up and talk online and talk about Jamaican food tastes bad. And if you run come and apologize with him talk. Eh?
Who said Jamaican food is bad?
I'm gonna share a video with you with this guy talking, he went to Jamaica to some resort and the food was shit. Imagine when Jamaica done with him. No matter how high and line him talk, he have to come and apologize to the Jamaicans and the internet. They tell you that, you know what I mean? So even Jamaicans is a tribe. It's a tribe of people. That's how he is. Like, you know what I mean? It's just like Chinese people. A tribe. You can't tell a Chinese man nothing. Indian people, you can't tell them nothing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You think them will put an African over a Chinese or, you know what I mean, a Caucasian over an African. It doesn't work that way. That's how life is. And if you understand that's how life is, you move through life smoothly.
Before I forget, I feel like I really feel bad when somebody says I'm Luo, I'm Luya, I'm Kikuyu, and somebody else is feeling bad because you're saying you're Luo. You can also say you're Maasai, you're Jamaican, you're whatever.
Yeah, that's who you are.
Let me finish my point. You're just proud of where you come from, and that shouldn't like bring a rival. In any case, we should all embrace the fact that, oh, you're Kikuyu, I'll try Kikuyu food. I'll try your traditional food, that is. Like right now, the fact that I've tasted Jamaican food and how you guys cook it and stuff, for some reason I love it.
Yeah.
You get?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay, there are things maybe I'll feel, hey, this one it's not for me. You get? Like for example, like the dumplings.
They don't like dumplings.
But that one is not for me. You get?
Yeah.
But other than that, Jamaican rice, Jamaican goat curry, anything Jamaican, apart from the dumplings, I'm very much okay with the food. So anyway, I feel like this tribal thing, you see, like the way in Jamaica, you people know only one type of food, right? But when you come to Kenya, as Kikuyus, we have our traditional food. Maasais have their traditional food. Luya have the, and let me tell you, when you taste all those foods, it's very nice.
Yeah.
You get? So, but I feel like people say tribe. You feel like.
I think that is just your mindset is in shambles, family. Because when you go there, you go to the Arab country, you know what I mean? They're Arabs and them, you know what I mean? It's crazy.
And you
so
have to stay like them.
You have to stay like them,
Yes,
and plus
Arab countries, so you have to do the hijab.
Yeah, when you think about this, even somebody saying somebody tribe, it's crazy because when you go there, you're all Africans and you're all treated like shit and dirt. And you know what I mean? So Africans first, their tribe second. You know what I mean? And that's the reason why as a Jamaicans I'm here. And you know, I'd rather take an African passport than an American passport. And that's just me. You know what I mean? So
So you told me to take the VLA?
yes, I was telling Miss Jamtros that she can try and win the BVLA and leave with the kids and go to America.
But maybe last year we didn't have our marriage certificate and
Yeah. Well, that's the time. You know, when it's your time, it's just your time in your family.
yeah.
And that's the thing now.
Okay, do you remember like that guy? By the way, let me tell you guys, if something is for you, it's for you. And remember there's this guy last year when we were watching all those things, how to win and stuff like that.
Yeah.
There's this guy who said that he didn't even have passports for the children.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
And he just applied, so boom, and got it. It's like he didn't expect
to win. Yeah.
And you that have your passport, you have
everything. You know, win nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah, that's how life is, family. And if you accept life like that, when you're tired, nobody can stop you.
Yeah.
And if you're not supposed to go, I don't know.
Yeah.
If you're not supposed to go, you're not supposed to go. You know what I mean?
But that's true.
And that's the thing.
Yeah, there's a reason as to why, like,
you didn't get it. So I'm just saying, you know what I mean? You know, if I should get through and stuff, I never been to the US yet, but I really want Miss Jam towards them to go and actually experience it and see what it's like. And it's a close place. The only place I would live if I go to the US, I live to Florida because it's close to Jamaica. You know what I mean? So, you know, and I'll just go there because that's where they say, you know, it's the American dream, but I actually create American dream in Africa. Just imagine what I could build if I get a chance in the States.
Love, there's somebody I told.
Yeah.
You can create your paradise even in the bush.
Yeah.
It's just for you to, even you can be that America.
But that's the thing. But that's the thing now.
You can be anywhere in the world and still not make something good of yourself. So
yeah.
wherever you are, you can create a paradise. You can create it's called a what? A palace.
Yeah. It's all up to you.
It's all up to you.
And when you think about it, family, when you think about it like that, as I'm saying to you that, you know what I mean, you know, sometimes you have to put your hand in the Eden mouth and take it out back. Because that's how the thing said, family. So, you know what I mean? So I remember when you're telling me the story about this person who won the green card, and you was telling me the story about somebody in your village won the green card too. You was telling me that story, right? Yeah, and I was like, yeah. Yeah.
She had one child.
Yeah.
I don't know whether she went with the child. I think she went with the child and left the man.
Left it. You see what I'm saying? You come back to the same thing and now leave the child. So when I asked me, Jam to I said, would you go? I said, no, I mean, who to go? Rather not go, rather don't go, than leave my child. Yeah. I agree. Yeah. So I saw the thing said, family. So it's a lovely day in Kenya, family. We actually heading to the Two Rivers Mall, to the Carrefour.
In fact, love, there's something I normally say.
I want to the Carrefour up here, so what now? So Miss Jam Tours want to go and do some shopping, family. So we're going to Two Rivers Mall. Eh? Yeah, family. So let's go. It's a beautiful day. It feels like I'm driving down in Montego Bay. Yeah. Yeah.
I feel, and I'm not saying this, I know all mothers will come for me in the comment section.
Yeah.
Let me just not say.
So what you want to see that your opinion, nobody can fight for your opinion.
No, I'm just saying, if you know, like, you need to be there for your kids.
Yeah.
They're not going to be bad.
Oh, well, that's true. When we're not well, a lot of time things.
Now that's where I want to emphasize. And I'm not saying this to say that maybe like the women, the ones who are working, or things like that, no. Also, I feel there are those like who are working, and I'll tell you some story of Camera because that's how I said.
Yeah.
There's somebody who's working, but they're still like creating that story. But now you see sometimes it becomes tedious.
Yeah.
From work, you're tired, you find the babies asleep and stuff like that. Because nowadays you can't trust these nannies.
Yeah.
It's not like, and let me tell you, even you like being there 100% for the kids, it's still tiring, eh? But like now getting somebody to like help with the chores while you take care of the kids, eh? I feel like kids should just be taken care of by their mothers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, family, you hear what Miss Jam Tours have to say? That a mother should be a mother and no other.
Yeah, because imagine you cannot trust nobody for your children. Nowadays,
Yeah, but trust me, all in the West, you can't trust man, boy, girl, nobody you can't trust with your kids. Be they molest them and all of that stuff, and that's the reason why you really find that here in Africa.
Well, I'm sure they are, but
yeah,
maybe the
charges are slim.
Yeah.
All
Right now, you cannot trust nobody. Say that they maybe they're jealous that your kids are a certain way.
family, let's go. Let's go to Two Rivers. Yeah, family. So today is a holiday in Kenya, and there should be a lot of people there in Two Rivers today. As you can see, the school is closed. No one goes to work today, so you know what I mean. Two Rivers should be full of people, family. That's how people come out. All the kids are out today. It's a beautiful day. The sun is out, as you can see. Yeah, so Two Rivers Mall, Nairobi, Kenya, Kiambu County. It's where you want to live when you come to Kenya, family. As you can see, Mambo Jumbo. That's all I know, family. Kabisa.
I like how you say it nicely. And that when they want your response.
Silent.
Go silent.
Silent night, holy night.
The camera is covering.
Alright, family, let's go to Carrefour.
You should ask me how to call Carrefour here.
Carrefour.
Carrefour.
It's Carrefour, it's a big Carrefour sign there.
Carrefour. Tell me today.
Out and about.
Yeah, it be. Why are you copying my videos?
So this is family, this is Two Rivers Mall.
You're parking upstairs or downstairs?
Downstairs, but as you know, upstairs is very cold.
Yeah. What's of it with Hamiami?
Yeah. So we just park in the parking. Yeah, family, so we're actually in Two Rivers now, walking around.
Today.
I just want to show you what Two Rivers look like, family. It's like one of the biggest mall over in East Africa, family. It's you know what I mean, it's in the Kiambu County area. And you know, it's just around, you know what I mean? And Two Rivers Mall is a place that you come and you come to take the kids out for a walk, and you know, it's a lot of, you know, amenities around that Two Rivers Mall for you and stuff. They have the cinema up top, they have, you know, games down, you know, downstairs. They have a lot of stuff. So Two Rivers is a place you can take your kids and they will enjoy. So we just came to do some shopping in Carrefour. And you know, Carrefour is where you get all the stuff you need here in Kenya. Whereas if you're from a diaspora from the overseas, then Carrefour is where you find all the international stuff to make you feel like you never left. Yeah, family. So, you know, as you can see, they have stuff for the kids that ride them around and stuff like that. So now we're gonna enter Carrefour, see what Miss Jam Tours want to pick up and stuff, you know what I mean, for the house, you know. So let's go, family, let's go. This is how inside Carrefour look, you know what I mean. It's very big. It's like a Costco in Kenya. There's a lot of stuff inside, family. So make sure you like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know when you're coming to Africa. Let me know when you're coming to Kenya. You know what I mean. Ghana is the gateway to Africa, and then after you go to Ghana, you check out other African countries to see what you like and what suits you. And then you can choose where you want to stay and where you want to live, family. So it's up to you. But if you watch Wagwan and see Wagwan and you decide to say Kenya, I think there, you don't have to waste no time and money if you actually search for African country. Just link up with Jam Tours and come and we get you settled, get you relocate. Like, share, and comment on this video, family. This video is a very important video. I'm out. Johnny!